Have you been struggling to make money online? Have you tried several methods by which you can make money online from home? Or maybe you've bought several courses online and they have not given you the result you want. Here is the good news for you. You watching this video is a 50% assurance that you are going to make money online. While following the steps I'm going to be showing you in this video is the second 50% of getting paid online. So once again, I go by the name Skywet. Follow my videos, follow my steps to see how I'm making thousands of dollars weekly, and you can make the same even as a beginner from home. Watch my video.
Yes, good evening. I go by the name Skywet. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I am making thousands of dollars online weekly from home. Yes, as a beginner you can make $4,000, $5,000 weekly from home. And on a daily basis you can make $500, $600, $700. So in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step method which I'm using to make money on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, and the good news is that you don't need to have any knowledge about affiliate marketing or about ClickBank before you can start making money. Yes, because I have recorded a complete video guide that will guide you step by step from opening an account from scratch to using the method I'm going to be teaching you for you to get commission like the one you can see on the screen. And also, this is the account of one of my students that got my software. He got it on the 16th of May and he started earning on the 17th. Another good news is that with my method you are going to be earning daily on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, as all know that affiliate marketing is just selling products for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. Commission, I mean a percentage from the total amount to sell the product. For instance, when you sell the product for $50, the company can decide to give you $10 as your commission. So sometimes the higher the price of the product you sold, the higher your commission, or the higher the number of products you sold per day also can determine your commission per day also. Yes, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I am making thousands of dollars weekly from home. Yes, as an affiliate marketer I'm also a software developer and I've developed several softwares due to my problem in affiliate marketing. Yes, I started affiliate marketing many years ago, and one of the things or one of the challenges I came was that I had issue with getting traffic to my affiliate platforms. Traffics, I mean people that are going to be accessing my affiliate products, that are going to be buying it. So due to that, I've created several software, and I have a software that I'm using presently that is giving me excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, my software works by gathering organic traffic online daily and promoting your affiliate product or link to this organic traffic. Yes, remember that my traffics are targeted traffic. So in my video course, I'm going to be showing you how you can get targeted traffic into my software that are going to be giving you great commission, that are going to be active and buying your products. So my software works by gathering organic traffic online daily and promoting your affiliate products with this organic traffic for you to get commission. And with my software, I'm going to be having thousands of dollars weekly, like the one you can see on the screen. And on a daily basis, with the method which I've recorded in my video course, I'm going to have $400, $500, $600, $700 daily on a 100% guarantee. Yes, another good news is I don't need to have any previous knowledge about affiliate marketing or about how my software works, because my video course will guide you step by step. So to get my software and video course and start earning big now, please contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get started for getting paid from home with my software and video course. Another good news is that my software is not only available to ClickBank alone, but can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like Gemizu, Warrior Plus, Shopify, or any affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because most of the affiliate marketing platforms, they use the same technical method in promoting and getting commission. So once again, I go by the name Skywet and I check people on how to make money online. Contact me now on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Thank you.